been following our channel for a while now, you'll know that we converted our messy old shed into a super cute multi-purpose she shed. Recently, one of our daughters, Sarah, transformed it into a fantastic little coffee and beverage station for an event that we held at our home for them. Today, I'm really excited to share with you how she was able to reimagine our updated little she shed. When Sarah and Brian wanted to have a vow renewal, they asked if we could hold the small, intimate reception in our backyard. She is such an incredibly talented lady. She was able to take another look at our shed and make it into this fabulous little spot that was not only beautiful, but functional as well. She decorated the shed using some things we already had, some vintage items she had thrifted through the summer, combining it all with some photos, candles, and real flowers to pull together a truly beautiful and unforgettable evening.
Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own.
Stick around till the end of the video where we'll share with you a few clips on how she set up the whole yard.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside?
Everywhere you looked, there were small, simple details that made the whole night feel special.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
us will encourage you to take a look around your own home and see what you're able to repurpose so you can enjoy your home even more.
Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no war.